All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Chevy Camaro. It is the LT Coupe, black with black cloth interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage on the body. Your front bumper looks pretty darn good. Your front hood looks pretty good. Do you have some road chips here in the corners? All right. Like a chippy or something there. On the fender, it's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing unless you got your tire thread. Just over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear quarter looks good. This rear driver's rim looks good. Your tire thread just under 730 seconds. We're going to double check that. You can see if I'm in the groove or not. Yep, just under 730 seconds. There's a nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got power windows, power doors, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Likewise on your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips back there. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It is a push start system, which does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. There's instrument clusters on this side as well as this side. It's got the paddle shifters. Boom, boom. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. See no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 41,492. Pretty much completes the tour. Keep it moving. Looks good. Open up the trunk. Rear passenger shoe looks good. Your rear trunk space looks good. Our trunk lid looks good. Trunk space is pretty nice. With two-door coupe, you have a run flat system, and then I did tuck away your owner's manuals right back there. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim, tire thread, just under 730 seconds. This door looks pretty decent. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Let's have a dent here, about 1 inch on the seal panel. And then, of course, here's your rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Oops. Check out your tire thread. Okay, one more time. Boom. Just over 730 seconds. Lights. A working car is running, folks. Once again, the 2017 Chevy Camaro LT Coupe model with 41,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.